billionaire for the capital market, they pay some lower taxes past person with the inside streets. You know why they do like that? Because he knows some kind of information where they for streets. No. Now, why will they come here? So we'll explain everything where you need to understand about the Nigerian business landscape. My name is Frank Fagbo, and we'll go straight enter inside market. One of the major stories we will get for inside market, we say, inflation don't increase, inflation don't enter 18% for this last month of March. And if they look at when they talk all this inflation, with the call of these numbers, man, my brother, numbers, when you go market, you go understand what be the meaning of these numbers. Check the price of Gary previously. Check the price of Gary right now. Check the price of rice and all these things. You're going to say inflation, they affect you and they affect me. Now, from one business story, enter another story where we say they hot for inside the world of cryptocurrency. Now, on Sunday, now very, very bloody Sunday, as a lot of investors, they always talk. Why are they bloody? Why are they very, very bloody? Because of waiting happened for inside the crypto market, as over 1 million investors, they liquidated. Forget all this grammar. When we say liquidated, you just be say your account enters zero. Imagine say over 1 million investors, they liquidated. And waiting that one mean, because the market crashed by nothing less than 20%. So all of all these things go make you understand. See, if you do enter crypto, as they always talking for you, make sure see you enter with informed knowledge. Nobody just say because your party they do and you want enter do am. Make sure say you understand waiting they happen for inside the market before you carry head chook inside as an investor. Say, you know as we do am for you now, we always get one giveaway segment, and this business giveaway segment. Now say, we won't just talk about some things where you need to understand as a business person. We want to talk about taxes. As a business person, how you go do your business, where we say you go pay low on taxes. As I talk about some billionaires for inside the capital market, where we say there are companies they listed for the stock exchange, they pay lower taxes, pass you where they sell pepper for inside street, pass you with your small SME for inside street, where we say they try struggle to even keep up with your financials. So how you go understand what they happen around taxes, everything where you need to understand. We get one bonga guest for our famous couch. Oh boy, you gotta sit down and listen, because why? It go save you some kind of money as a business person. And this Obonge guest what we get for our famous couch, she be Amaka Eziala, and she understands, she be barrister. When I say barrister, legal practitioner, lawyer, all joint put. She carry the crown, put for her head. You know why they talk like this? Because she understands everything about legal practices around the business landscape. So if you be business person and you try to make sure you pay lower taxes, you know, so you get some kind of things where they call for Oyibo, they call on tax evasion. But for we go tell you the legal way to pay lower taxes for inside this same Nigeria, so that at least you go get some kind of money put inside your books as a business person. You're very much welcome, Madam Eziala.
Thank you very much, Frank. It's nice to be here today.
Yeah. So how this matter be? Waiting be taxes first and foremost, because a lot of people don't even understand waiting be tax. They say tax and I say government they rob them. Explain, make people understand waiting be taxes.
Okay, thank you very much. So tax be na compulsory levy where government they levy on individuals or companies where they get income. So if you there for state or you there for any country at all, and you get income from that country, you're supposed to pay tax. If they compulsory, now waiting I talk. I don't say now optional, now compulsory levy where you supposed to pay as an earning individual in a country.
Okay, so as an individual and as a as an individual and as a corporate body. When I say corporate body, I mean say business person. Now, how they use which different type of tax? How people go use understand? Say we get different kind of taxes, and what they need to understand about those types.
Tax is plenty. But the 7 most important ones where we get for Nigeria now, we get personal income tax. Okay. We can't get company income tax. Okay. We get value-added tax, the most popular one. We get company gains tax. Then we get withholding tax, now deduction kind of tax. We can't get petroleum gains tax. So now all these kind of taxes where we get for, we can't still get the one we call educational tax for Nigeria. So it plenty, but the taxes where you go pay depend on the type of services and business where they run for Nigeria. Okay, for SMEs where we say just they spring up, you know, see some SMEs they try hustle, maybe they see what they do for inside streets, offer some kind of few services. With taxes you feel say they very, very sure for major industry, maybe say some SMEs supposed to pay. So for things like, for people where they into business entity, like business name registration. Because for Nigeria, we get different types of business entity. Very true. So if you register with CAC as business name registration, the tax is where you're supposed to pay the number 1, value added tax. VAT. VAT. And
what is the percentage right now? Like 7.5%.
So make I explain that now. say you they sell this beautiful vase here now
Very
for 1,000 naira.
Okay.
Right? So 7.5% of 1,000.
Okay.
I think I don't know so much.
7.5 of 1,000.
Nah,
75 naira.
75 naira. So
yeah.
you suppose they sell this vase for 1,075 naira. You go keep your 1,000 back, give government 75.
Okay.
But if you not add that 75 naira, government go collect them from your profit. So it's very important. Say you know your VAT, you calculate it, and pay. Okay,
so apart from VAT, which other one? SMEs, small businesses.
So for business name, you still pay something called personal income tax. That is charged on the director of the company. So as you have a business name registration now, you'll be your business. Your business is not separate from you.
Very true.
So as that, you are the director of your business. So you go to pay something where they call personal income tax. If you get 5 businesses under business name, you go to pay personal income tax on each of those businesses.
Wow.
That's so it is.
Okay.
And then another important one, a business levy. You're supposed to pay them as a business name registration. And then development levy. These are the 4 most important taxes that a business name would pay.
Okay, you get some kind people for inside capital market, we get some billionaires where we say, they don't find loopholes for inside the system. Legal way, not say that they dupe government.
No, at all.
Legal way to reduce their taxes as a business person, some of them will get conglomerate. Now, how people will be say if you understand ways to reduce their taxes, because sometimes all these taxes, they affect businesses. Some people, they go out of business because of taxes. So how do you reduce their tax in a legal way? And explain everything about tax reduction, some places where say if you leave, where say your tax will come down and all. You know all these things now.
All these things now. So basically, may I break them into 3?
All right, please do.
They get one what they call tax planning and tax saving, which they're very, very good. Now, the legal way to minimize tax, and it's good. They get one way they call tax avoidance. And they get the one where be illegal of them, baba of them, where they call tax evasion. That one na offense. So make I explain tax planning to you. Tax planning is the legal way to minimize paying taxes in Nigeria, which is that government already, they help citizens. Government, they help businesses. So they don't put in place things where they call reliefs, incentives for businesses to gain. You understand? So, but if you don't know these incentives, you don't go know as you go take claim and if you know they keep proper records, you don't go know as you go take claim all these incentives. So now waiting tax planning day for you to understand your taxes and how to claim the incentives where government don't put for you for your taxes. Then we come get tax evasion, whereby some people, wait till say they smart, won't suppress their income. I guess some people will come meet me, tell me say, my lawyer sabi I don't say you won't audit my account too, but now only account what I get. Now lie, they get like 5 different bank accounts. You understand? So they won't suppress the amount of income where they get. But sometimes all these things are ignorance, because tax is charged on the profit you make, not the revenue where they come in. So maybe they make money, but they know they make profits. So you go come, they hide your account. But if you be say you know they make profit, say they run loss. And if I still audit that account, I go still tell you say you're not supposed to pay tax because you don't make profit. You understand? And that one a tax evasion, na offense. Then they get another one, maybe tax avoidance. Tax avoidance, they a little bit like tax planning. But now when people go use loopholes, problems where they for law, they avoid tax. That one is it's still they not fit charge you or penalize you for that one. But the best one is just to go through tax planning. So let's talk about ways you can now through tax planning to reduce your and minimize your taxes. Number 1, for instance, you come and meet me, Frank, now. Let me say you won't go into service business. Say you won't go into hotel business now. That's a service business.
Very true.
I go tell you, say, may you add product business to it, because in Nigeria, product businesses, they reduce their taxes. Their taxes, they're very, very, very low.
Fantastic.
So if you won't go into service business, I go tell you, say, may you add product business. When you add it, your taxes will be reduced.
So basically, they try to be say, may they productize their service.
Exactly.
If they feed them that way.
Exactly. For hotel now, the person fit enter into food and beverage. Apart from the hotel.
Very true.
Taxes will be reduced. Automatically. You understand? So then also, if you are into agricultural business, agriculture is a good place to go into Nigeria. Because government, they look, food to help the citizens. So they are very favorable to businesses where they into agriculture.
So what did they try to be say social enterprises in such a way their taxes they reduce?
They reduce.
Okay.
So if they into agriculture now, for the first 5 years, you're not going to pay tax.
Wow.
And you can renew it another 3 years. You're not going to pay tax at all.
Wow.
And they tell you, but the only thing here is that you must register that business entity as a limited liability company. Now, why is it important to come meet a lawyer or a tax consultant before you start any major business? So the person could just help you. People like me now, just help you, just show you the way. And what you're supposed to do, you understand? So like agriculture like this, if you go into it, then exportation too.
Okay.
That's another good venture.
Okay.
Or you come to me now and tell me, my lawyer said, I want to go into soybean manufacturing. Okay. I will tell you, just don't go into soybean manufacturing. Yeah. Also, export. If you export, you're not going to pay tax at all.
My brother.
It's legal. It's legal.
My brother, my sister, you don't hear and finish as she don't talk and for here. My lawyer Sabi, if you want to follow her for IG, make you just check everything where you need to understand about taxes on top in our Instagram page at my lawyer Sabi. So you go feel understand everything where you need to understand about reducing your taxes as a business person. She don't talk and say, if you're inside the agri sector, or more, for the first 5 years, you no go pay tax. Okay, you know the sector where your eye they enter right now. So, but then we don't get time to talk about everything where you need to understand about your taxes. If not, we go sleep for here. But then, the Good Morning Naija show still continues. And if you follow me or at Fagba Frank, maybe we continue the conversation on top everything where you need to understand about business matter. Don't go anywhere, as Onyi Sunday is still there here. Because why? She they ready to carry you on the Good Morning Naija show cruise.